Hello, Dana Lynette here. Welcome to my channel. This is Chloe. I've been Chloe's braider since she was a little girl, and she's now a senior in high school. She recently decided she wanted Microlocs and gave me the honor of doing the install. The grid is interesting, meaning the parts are not amazingly straight, but she did get a heavy discount. This is basically the cost of a set of box braids for most of y'all. Anyway, this is how she started, June 21st, 2025. And up next, you'll see how it's going. You'll notice her ends are loose, and I did spray them with water, but they didn't curl. But she was going swimming after this, and they did curl. Okay, guys, this is Chloe. She started her lock journey probably 5 or 6 weeks ago with Braidlocs. She has thicker, her hair's on the thicker side. It's dense, meaning she ain't going bald no time soon. I don't remember, it took us a few hours to install, but not like too terribly long. And this is her first retie. We did not interlock her roots when we first installed the locks. I wasn't sure if she was going to want to take them out. But she seems like she's liking the journey and she's going to stick with it. And we'll show you guys once we make progress. So we have finished the back of Chloe's hair. You can see the roots are nice and tight, although I try not to make them literally tight. They kind of are. Chloe has real baby hair. She doesn't have a kitchen. And now we're going to move to the front, which is not done yet. All right, and we have finished Chloe's retie, her very first retie, really her very first interlocking, because we didn't interlock when we installed her braids. These are Braidlocs, and they look excellent. I must say so myself. She has the perfect hair for locking, and I'm excited about her journey. Let's ask her. Hi, Chloe.
Hi.
So, tell us, what made you want to start your lock journey?
There was this girl at my school, and I thought that she looked really cool, and she had locks like just around like my length, and I was like, ooh, I want to be just like her. She is so cool. And so I wound up becoming her friend, and she told me that it actually wasn't that bad to like have locks, and it wasn't like as difficult as a lot of people, especially my mom, made it out to be. So I was like, okay, yeah. So.
And tell us, how is your lock journey going? You've been locked for just under 2 months.
It's going pretty good, honestly. I haven't like really seen any issues with it or anything, so I think it's been pretty well.
And last question, do you have any lock goals for your hair?
Not really. I mean, I'd like for it to get like just here, like shoulder length. But aside from that, I just want to kind of see how it goes and everything.
Can you turn around and give us a 360?
Yeah.
Wait, shake it a little bit. Nice and fluffy. Her hair is so fluffy and light. Okay, you're beautiful. Thank you.